In this presentation, we're going to look at sequences and series. In particular, actually, we're going to look at sequences, and what we're going to do is determine an expression for u of k for the following sequence of numbers. So k is 1, 2, 3, and it means like the index. So here, u1 equals 2, u2 equal 5, u3 equal to 8. So what we want to do is find out UK. So we can find out numbers like U of 1000, let's say, something like that, without having to count out all of the numbers. So that's the job we're going to set ourselves. So what I'm going to do is set up my set of numbers here in the table, and what we're going to do is sort of examine them. So I have K is the first number, second number, third number, and so on. And those are UK, the U of K, so the first number there is 2, second number there is 3, third number there is 8, and so on. So first off, I'm going to set it up like a little table like that. But what I'm going to do is try and sort of like try and figure out how to come up with a proper expression. So I'm going to make a bit of room here, and what we're going to do is we're going to try and determine a sort of rule for coming up with an expression for u of k. Now what I'm going to do first off is look at the difference between the numbers. So if we look at the difference between 2 and 5, the difference there is 3. Likewise here as well, 3, 3, 3, the whole way on. So that's an important thing to be mindful of. So what we're going to do first off is going to multiply find 3k. So I'm going to 3 of k, 3 times k. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. So whatever number we have as a difference here, what we'll do is use it, multiply it there by k. So we have 3, so that's why we have 3k. So moving on, we have 2, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, there we have them there. So the next thing we're going to do is just sort of see what sort of difference we need to get to the number we have. So we have 3 of k. What's the difference between that and u of k? In this case, it's minus 1. We will get 2, minus 1, we get 2, minus 1, we get 8, 5 and 8, and so on. So 3k minus 1 gives us 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14. So you can sort of see pretty clearly now that UK is 3k minus 1. Okay, so that's it there. So the answer we have is u of k equals 3k minus 1. So in conclusion, a big just to sort of go back over one point there, the sequential difference between numbers is a big clue there as to how to construct our expression. So that's our expression for the sequence of numbers, to evaluate a particular value in that sequence of numbers. And that ends our presentation.